Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make these cards, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. So today is the 2nd of June, which means I can share the new SheetLoad of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl with you. I really enjoy her SheetLoad of cards templates. They are really fun and they always give me a challenge on how to use the designer series paper from Stampin' Up! In unique ways to get beautiful cards. You can get your own free template by visiting her YouTube channel, and the link is below in the description. For the paper for today's cards, I wanted to give you a sneak peek on what's going to be available in the new catalog that's going to start tomorrow. So you can order these products tomorrow on Stampin' Up's website, and you can use my store link, which is in the description box below, to purchase any of these products. So let's go ahead and look at the cards first, and then I'll walk you through what products I used. So the card design calls for 3 different pattern paper, and I really loved this leaf pattern, and on the back is this darker leaf pattern, and so I used both sheets of that from the pack. And then I wanted to kind of simplify the patterns and not overwhelm the card, and so I used this pretty wood grain pattern. I also wanted to add some interest, and so I added some gold twine and then these gold cutout sheets that are also going to be new in the new catalog. I really love how that wood grain paper kind of helps those colors really pop. So I used the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper, and you get 12 sheets. You get 2 of each design, and they are double-sided. So this first pattern that you're seeing, they're all like leaf and greenery, and it might be a little overwhelming with having all those patterns right next to each other. And then if we flip them over, we're getting more of like a bold style image. And so you can use these patterns with those leaf images like I did on the cards, so that your eye isn't overwhelmed with too many patterns. And so I love these patterns. I think they are so pretty and so versatile. Really great for masculine cards or really anything fun. So that's the paper that I used. And then I also used the wood grain paper, came from the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. Now this paper pack is double the size. You get 24 sheets, but you're still only getting 2 designs, 2 papers of each design. So you're getting 12 different designs. So I'm just gonna kind of show you really quickly what they are. You get a lot of wood grain in all different colors. So let's look at those first. So here's some wood grain. Well, I'm just gonna show you what you get. So you get wood grain, and then there's like this plaster color that's a little bit shaded blue. There's kind of a textile pattern, another plaster pattern, more textile that's kind of that pink, petal pink color. And then you get some dark brown wood. I really love this one. It's kind of like a slab of cement or stone. More wood grains, so versatile. You get this burlap textile pattern, and then this really fun wood grain planking look. Then on the other side, you get some stones, some tile stones, marbles. You get some more plaster images. I really love this tile. So you can see that it's tile, but it has that pattern on it. Some more like tile with a marble kind of look. Textiles. Some beautiful chevron tile pattern. So very, very versatile. I love that one, it's so pretty. Herringbone, and more textiles. Oh, and then this one that's kind of like a really rough stone look. So very versatile patterns and really fun to mix and match with all the different designer series paper pack. And like I said, you just get so many different options with this. And you do get 2 of each sheet. So you get those double, so you can use both sides. All right, so then back to the cards. I also used a new stamp set. So this is the Forever Fern, and it actually is in a suite with the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. And so if you really love these products like I did, you can just purchase the suite, which is something that I did as well. And it gives you all these fun products that you can use together. So that's the stamp that I used for this greeting. And then this gold foil image, it comes in a pack, and I just really loved how simple it was to put these cards together because they were already pre-cut, those gold images. So this pack is called the Forever Gold Specialty Designers Series paper, and you get some background pieces, and you get, I think there's 3 sheets of each of these designs. So these little backgrounds all came in 1 sheet. And so you get 3 of those. And then you do get a sheet. So that was around all those little backgrounds. And then you do get a sheet of these great foliage images. So you get some large images like this one. You get some images that can go around different shapes. And then here you can see the cutouts of the leaf images that I used on my cards. And so that's really fun, and you do get 3 sheets of those. So there's a total of 6 sheets of gold foil cutouts. And they made these cards, making these cards really, really simple and easy. As part of that suite, you also get the Forever Greenery Trim Combo Pack. It's going to give you that gold thread that I used behind my greeting, as well as this really pretty, very vanilla weave ribbon. And I've used this on a lot of projects already, and I really love how it just really softens up those cards. Another product that I used to make these cards, and it just made making this fishtail or banner really simple, is the triple banner punch. Now this punch, you can use it on all different sizes. The biggest size is 2 inches, and it goes down to 1 inch. Her dimensions are somewhere in between, and so it didn't have a perfect fit on some of them. So I just slide them in, and then I line them up using like this, and I line it up just using the back as a guide, and then I'm able to punch them. And they were measured perfectly for me to do that, and I really enjoyed using this punch. It made it really quick and easy, and I didn't have to fussy cut all those banners. You can get this product from Stampin' Up, and you can use the online store link, which is in the description box below. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I have done with the SheetLoad of cards by Call Me Crafty Al. If you want to check out what the other designers have made using the same template, their links are listed in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye. I hope you have enjoyed seeing my version of this month's SheetLoad of cards from Call Me Crafty Al. Make sure to check out what the other amazing designers have created this month as well. Have a creative day. Bye.